The hell?
Hi.
Hi?
Quite the truck you've got here.
You shouldn't be.
Let's get lonely in here. All by yourself. Can I ask you something? Do you like surprises?
Time to go.
Yes? That's right. 8 kilos. I know. Look, your father is a farmer, yes? Tell him I'll get him one. That's right. 3 o'clock. And you can trust me.
Lauded for its pioneering political venture, the new government business hub will be the heart and soul of the country's military-industrial complex, a new landmark for defence. Private government contracts will ensure the sustainability of precision strikes ahead for years to come.
Yes, indeed. Welcome, DS Yang, to the unit. CT are extremely pleased to have you. Ellie comes to us with some emphatic
Oh, she a
brilliant
DS
work in
already.
Murder Squad
Pity
with
promotions.
2 commendations under her belt.
Thank you, sir.
DS Yang, you're going to be working closely with DC Bentley, and I believe cybercrime already have something for you to get your teeth into. All right, you lot, back to work.
Pleased to meet you, boss.
You too, DC Bentley. Looking forward to you giving me the gossip around here.
Well, you're the gossip right now. This way.
Monsieur de Vries! Monsieur de Vries! The drones! Head's gone!
Mom, we've just had reports that a lorry driver and his truckload of bis-2-chloroethyl sulfide have gone off the radar.
Bis-2-chloro what?
Mustard gas, a component.
Last known whereabouts are west of Fort Gate, ma'am. Possible TDA?
How'd it come in?
A logistics company sent in a wayward signal, and the chemicals failed to arrive at the destination.
Do you think they hacked into the transporter's GPS and changed the delivery location?
It's possible. All this new logistics tech sounds great and everything, but it's vulnerable.
CCTV?
None. Backcountry roads.
Okay. Let's check with Intel Cell. See if this has come up before. Steve, go hard on those burners.
Yes, Mum.
That's not all, Mum. The driver, he's a misper. His wife hasn't been able to get hold of him since last night. Mom, we've just received info on the box that a fertilizer drone's been stolen from the Dutch farm in South Siren.
Drones, plus mustard gas.
I need your phone. Please. Please.
Emergency, what service do you require?
Please. Ambulance, send both. I have another phone. She's in the first aid kit beneath the passenger seat.
So we spoke to the tanker company. Fuel load analysis has given us 3 potential locations at 85% certainty for the truck.
What else?
Smartphones. Transactions go back over the last 48 hours, 6 different accounts, 1 an intermediary, OTP security.
Sir, I think we found that truck.
Tell me.
The Misper is alive. Intel have located his second phone in the truck's cabin, and they've traced it to an old warehouse in Watchmaker.
Great work, Denny. The warehouse people. Let's lock it up.
Alpha squad in position, sir. CTSFOs at the ready. MOE straight line to target.
Awaiting goal command. Permission to engage.
Alpha team, you're cleared to proceed with full force. Engage, engage, engage.
Copy that, sir. Yes, indeed. Alpha team, what's your status? Alpha team, what's your status?
Alpha team, Charlie Echo 20. Report your status.
All suspects detained. Location secured.
Oh, the rain is coming. The rain is coming.
Jason, are you safe?
Yes, I'm fine. Look, the tanker is here. And, it's a DIY chemical lab for sure.
There's all sorts of stuff here.
But there is no drone. One of them, he said, the rain is coming, Ellie.
The rain is coming.
Sounds like our worst nightmare. Call the boss. I'm on my way. Steve?
Mum, I just finished the telemetry map. All the OTPs were traced to 6 phones. 2 were from the raid, 3 international. The other one, it's moving.
Where is it?
East on Boulderton, heading to the hill.
Send me the trace. Get SC9 for the suspect. Get UAV squad down to the vantage point. Immediate priority.
Copy that.
Building 2. UAV is airborne. Repeat. UAV is airborne.
UAV is airborne, approximately 50 kilometers per hour, target 3 kilometers.
Copy that. Alpha team headed to vantage control point.
Drop it! Put your hands up! Palms open! Facing forward and turn around!
You're late.
What have you done?
Whatever I'm told to do.
UAVs, what's your status? Tell me you're on it.
Yeah, getting there, Mum. UAV's still en route to Tango.
Where is it heading exactly?
As the crow flies, business district.
Downtown. Approaching 50-meter range intercept.
IP keeps switching, sir.
Find a way!
We jammed the release mechanism, sir. But I can't bring her home. IPs keep cycling.
Keep trying, she's a sitting duck. We need to acquire that UAV, Dan, right now!
I can't!
All units, armed suspects seen in your vicinity. Imminent threat, repeat, imminent threat.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
You are under arrest for the perpetration of acts relating to terrorism. You do not have to say anything. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
I'm just a small part of this. You'll see! You'll see!
UAV acquired, 30 meters from safe landing zone.
Beta squad, prepare for descent.
Not bad for a first day.
The day's not done yet.